IAP2 is a membership association and we represent public participation practitioners, community engagement specialists working across the whole field of community engagement in Australia and New Zealand. IAP2 Australasia is an affiliate of the International Federation and we're the fastest growing affiliate in the Federation, enjoying 40% membership growth year on year for the last 3 years and a corresponding rise in training to practitioners across Australia and New Zealand. As IAP2 members come from a range of fields, so they come from community associations, community organisations, local government, state government, federal government. They come from infrastructure companies, so a wide range of public, private and government agencies. And the thing that brings public participation and community engagement practitioners together is the fundamental belief that people who are affected by a decision should be involved in the making of that decision.
It's clear from our engagement with communities that they want to be able to influence their leaders when they want to. Not all the time, but when they want to.
People always need a role in decisions that are going to affect their lives.
The future of community engagement is to change from people writing a plan and then asking the community to look at it for an hour or two, and actually to start from the point of view of engaging the community at the point that they're still defining the problem and defining what they want to do.
Well, IAP2 supports members who are working in the field of public participation, and so we are there to provide practitioners with opportunities for training, for professional development, for networking, and as a source of best practice. And so IAP2 offers a range of opportunities, and foremost amongst them at the moment, of course, is our Core Value Awards. And that recognises absolute best practice in the field across projects and across organisational approaches to implementing public participation programs. Tonight was about showcasing best practice in community engagement in New South Wales, and we were very lucky to have representatives from Waverley Council who were the winners of the 2011 Core Value Awards for Best Project of the Year in New South Wales, and also representatives from the New Democracy Foundation and Canada Bay Council talking about how they were working on the right-hand side of the IAP2 spectrum in terms of empowering their communities to make decisions about the best way in which councils allocate the resources that they have.
I think my key learnings for tonight were about using a process to disagglomerate, if you like, complexity in the decision making within the organisation.
I think it was very interesting for me to see what had gone on at Waverley Council, sometimes being someone who's not of local government, to understand and see the context in where we ask councillors, where we ask council staff to make quite transformative changes. It was very helpful to see what other transformations have been. So I think giving context, and the more we can learn from what each of us are doing, learning what's gone on at other councils, there's innovations occurring everywhere. The more we share them, the smarter we all become. And I think tonight, that's where I started to learn. There's only so much you can learn on the printed page. You learn from a lot from someone from council coming out and telling you their story.
So when we provide communities with the right information in the way in which they need it, in the way in which they want it, and in the way in which they can engage with it, then those communities will participate and will make good decisions on behalf of the people that they live and work with.